We did question 2 by reference the ArcGIS desktop code, and now we're going to do dissolve. And for dissolve, we're going to do is close it out. The same, we're going to use the help file here, and let me move it side by side. So we start with import ArcPy and Arc environment workspace, and then you put the path and dissolve management, and we will need the parks shape, and then we exported. Actually, I could do is this. Oopsies, Control Z, and I just can put exported because I already defined my environment, and then parks dissolve and park type. So park type, then we will have nothing in dissolve lines. So the false. So let's see, Boolean false value field. We did was park type statistic field. I'll put field, and then we did type and nothing, and we want Boolean the let's see, single part. The field for aggregating features specifying that multi-part are not allowed. So multi-part is false. So multi-part is false. And so that's why we had park type. That's the field. And then we don't have anything for this specifying that multi-part is false. Multi-part by default is true, then we don't want it, and then we have to do it false. So now I have the code here, and I saved it and I checked it, and then I can run it. Let's see, it gave us this one already exists. So let me do 1 and then save it, run it, and click OK, and return exit 0. So what I can do is, I do have previously, and I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to load it. That will be question 2, and click twice. There. So that I have add X and Y. Okay, now I'm going to load question 3. Now it's running. Perfect. And this dissolve 1. And now if I run it again, it said it will it's already. Let me go to geoprocessing options. Yeah, I can override, but Python might not like it, the code. Alright, so now we can just select all and delete everything. And then we will go to question 4. So, previously we did write a script that runs the dissolve tool on the park's shapefile feature class using the park type field as the field for aggregating features, and we specify that multi-part features are not allowed, and then we put it false. And now we're going to do question 4. And similarly like distance, but we will do import ArcPy, and we have to do is write a script that determines whether the following extensions are available. So ArcGIS 3D Analyst, ArcGIS Network Analyst, and ArcGIS Spatial Analyst, the script should print an information message with the results. So the following extensions are available. So we want everything is available. So we import ArcPy, and by default, no extensions are available. If ArcPy check extension 3D is available, and then extension 3D, we make it equal to 3D analyst, and else, then we have nothing. And the same we do for network, and we will have to do for spatial, and else nothing. And then we will print this. So now we're going to check it and then run. So, and then it says the following extensions are available: 3D analyst, spatial analyst. No extensions are available. Not available. Let's see. Customize extensions. So, spatial, and then network. Do we have a network? We do. So are available. The following are available. There are no extensions are available. So let's load it in ArcMap. Let's just put one available and then just load a code and then run it. Are available. Let's see. Network. Load. Question 4. No extensions are available. Alright, so that's it. We're going to move on and we're going to do exercises 6. So now, before we start the work, we're going to preview the data in our catalog. So now I'm going back to here and full screen, and then go to exercise 6. We do have track station cities, and then shapefile. We have a polygon, polyline, and we're going to go back to our script for Python Wing. And this one already done. I'm going to close it. And I'm going to open a new one, click OK, and then File, Save As, and back to Data, Exercise 6. And I'm going to put shape exists.py. So now we're going to type the code that we will have some of the scripts here. And the same, let me see, I have to get the code paste. Alright, so change it to 6. Perfect, okay. Control X. Alright, we will import ArcPy, and from ArcPy import environment workspace equals, put our path name, and shape exists equals arcpy.exists exist. And then we have cities.shapefile, and then print shape exists. And I'm going to save it and then run. True. So now the running script returns a value is true. Modify the script. We're going to place cities shapefile with all capitalized, cities.shape, and then we're going to save and run. and click OK. It's still true. So the running script returns the value of true Python for the most part in case sensitive, and it applies to streams as well. So one of the exceptions is path and file name. So cities.shapefile is the same with all the letters capitalized or small lowercase is the same. But if you capitalize, you have to capitalize everything. We're going to check the existence of data, a function so that is commonly used in standalone script. So now I'm going to modify this. We import ArcPy, from ArcPy import environment, and then we set environment this, and then we will say if ArcPy dot exist city shapefile, I need to use lowercase, cities dot shapefile, and I need to use a column here, ArcPy dot copy feature management there, and then it will be city shapefile and comma results, put into results, and then cities underscore copy dot shapefile. Alright, and then I'm going to save it and run. Perfect. Okay. Exists. Okay, it ran. And it determines, so here it determines, the script determines whether the particular input feature class exists and runs the geoprocessing operation accordingly. So now let's see, there, we get our city copy shapefile here. And now we're going to describe data. The describe function can be used to determine properties of datasets and other inputs into geoprocessing tools. In ArcMap, we're going to the ArcCatalog and here. So now we will have everything here. Then we're going to run the following code here. So let me clear everything. Clear all. Okay. My shape equals ArcPy dot describe, ArcPy dot describe, and then I'm going to put the path name, the path here, and I will put cities dot shapefile, and then we can access the object. And now we're going to run my shape dot data type, and then we get the result U shapefile. So the running code returns U shapefile as the data type of the object. We can also work with the layers in the current map document. We're going to run here my layer equals ArcPy describe dot describe, and we will have cities, and I need a quotation mark, and my oopsies, alright, it's ArcPy dot perfect dot cities, and my layers describe there. Oh no, describe cities. Alright, let me run this again. And then, alright,